Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new formerly dealer-only parts. This month's featured OE fix is our new Hub Assembly, now available for over 1 million Lexus and Toyota applications from 2015 to 2003. Original Hub Assemblies typically fail due to rust and seized components. Removal of the failed hub often causes damage and eventually leads to the replacement of the entire assembly. Replacement through the dealer is time-consuming and costly, as each component must be purchased separately, assembled, and pressed using special machinery. Dorman's OE Fix Hub Assembly is ready to install right out of the box, saving technicians time. For a complete repair, Dorman's direct replacement hub assemblies include all necessary components and hardware. Dorman's growing category of HVAC Control Modules now offers expanded coverage for over 8 million domestic and import applications, including GM, Isuzu, and Saab vehicles from 2009 to 2002. To save both inventory space and cost, Dorman has consolidated 6 remanufactured part numbers into just one Dorman SKU. Additionally, this 100% new HVAC control module includes backlight replacement LED bulbs and comes ready to install, requiring no additional programming during installation. New this month from Dorman is our exclusive remanufactured power window switch, now available for a large population of vehicle applications on the road today, including new coverage for Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC vehicles from 2005 to 2003. Dorman's new power window switch controls a variety of electronic functions within the vehicle, including power windows, heated seats, door locks, and side view mirrors. This new direct replacement is quality tested to ensure proper fit and function every time. Dorman now offers a keyless entry remote for Nissan Altima and Maxima proximity sensor applications from 2014 to 2007. Dorman's simple-to-program remotes include a programming tool that allows you to sync a new remote to an existing vehicle in less than 5 minutes. Matching OE fit, form, and function, our keyless entry remotes provide a quick and easy repair solution to lost or broken keyless entry remotes. Also new this month is our shock rust repair kit to repair failed shock mounts on the inner fender well of Ford Escape and Mercury Mariner applications from 2011 to 2005. Due to the failure-prone nature of the original part, this is a highly popular replacement for vehicles in areas where large amounts of salt and brine are used to treat roads. Additionally, to assist with installation, all necessary components are included for a complete shock rust repair. Also available in this month's announcement are Ford knuckle bushing, GM jounce bumper, Ford engine oil cooler, 37 new control arms, 10 headlight level sensors, 20 new door lock actuator motors, and over 10 fuel tank straps.